Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So as you can see, we have got a list here, and then here we are using slicing, and then we are inserting some values. Then we are printing A. So the correct output of this code is 9, 2, 9, 4, and 9. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and we have got this list, and here we just need to understand this part. This can be rewritten as A 0, and then the end value is 4, and then there's 2. Then this is step. This will be running from 0, then 2, and then 4. That means this is 0, this is 2, and this is 4. This will be replaced with this. That means the new list will become 9, and then 2, then there's 9 again, then there's 4, and then there's 9 again, which explains the output.